My motto here at Sushi Loco is I never give up. No matter how hot it is in the kitchen, no matter how hard it is in the kitchen, I just don't give up. My name is Frank Mendoza. I'm the chef and operator of Sushi Loco. So today we're gonna make this crispy chicken burger using Dave's Killer Bread, burger buns done right. Food gave me back my life. I grew up in East Los Angeles. I made the bad decision of hanging around with the wrong folks. At the age of 18, I landed myself in a federal prison. I was crossing drugs over San Diego. When I got out of prison, I was broke and broken. I started getting involved in cooking when I had a nephew that arrived from Sinaloa, Mexico. And I asked him, what do you know how to do? He said I was asuchero. Asuchero, what is that? Sushi. I make sushi. My mind started to race. And I go, if I buy a food truck, will you go into business with me? He said yes. So I went to Craigslist and I put cart. And lo and behold, a sushi hot dog cart. So I bought this cart and started to cater on the street. People used to ask me, what do you sell? Sushi on the street? I said, yeah, sushi on the street. No, I don't need no fish. I go, it's not fish. You like carne asada? You like chicken? You like bacon? That's what I do. And this concept, Mexican sushi, was a hit. Finally, I said, I can do this. I found a place in La Puente, California. And in 2010, I was in the restaurant business. We're gonna use Dave's Killer breadcrumbs. So once we drop it in the fryer, it's gonna give us that beautiful caramelized brown golden color. We're gonna dice up some carrots, some green onions, some red onions, some bell peppers. Adding a little bit of soy sauce with a little bit of teriyaki sauce, some oyster sauce. Toss some peanuts in there and give it that spice with our chile de árbol. After that, we're gonna take Dave's Killer Bread, smother it with a little bit of butter, put it into our oven, bring it out. We're gonna put some avocado on top of this chicken, add the tortilla chips, the spicy mayo sauce combined with our teriyaki sauce. And then to top it all off, we're gonna sprinkle togarachi. That's our Asian flavor. Crispy chicken burger with the Latin flavor using Dave's Killer Bread, burger buns done right. Dave's Killer Bread, second chances and what they're doing for the community. I mean, if they're able to save one person, you know, that's somebody's child. We're a place of second chances because how can I not? Because I was down and out at one point or another, and somebody gave me a chance. What matters is what's in your heart, the desire to get up and go and commit to something. And it's through food that you're able to inspire these young kids to do something with their lives, to get out of drugs, to get out of the ghetto, and to get their mentality out of that being the victim. One of the most important things for me is to model a good example of what you need to live your life by, with morals and principles and values, to have a generous heart. So this is my Valentina. I want to model a good example for her, just to be the best dad that I can be. It is the dash after your name. What are they gonna say about you when you die? They're gonna say Frank had purpose. He made a difference in somebody's life. That's what I want people to remember me by.